somebody's going to be losing by one night, but we're going to find that out in just a few minutes. We need to start off our evening by saying our pledges. Boys and girls, if you could give me your attention, if you could hold your talking and your comments for later. It's like a church offertory time up here, the way people are talking. Get settled, sit down. Thank you. I can volunteer with a Bible. And I saw that here. She shot it right up. She's ready. She wants to help us. We're going to start off our Vacation Bible School with our pledges, as we always do. And feel free to come right up here. Everybody else, if you'll stand, gentlemen, hats off. We're going to turn and face the American flag, say our pledge, and then we'll do our other pledges. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Order arms. Face the Christian flag. If you don't know this one, the words are right up on the screen. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the Christian flag and to the Savior for whose kingdom it stands, one Savior, crucified, risen, and coming again, with life and liberty for all who believe. Order arms today. If you can hold up that Bible. Thank you very much. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the Bible, God's holy word. I will make it a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. I will hide its words in my heart, that I might not sin against God. You may be seated. And would you like a puzzle or a compass? It's a magnet puzzle or a compass. That's what I would take. Give an round of applause and help us out with the Bible. Do I hear Eduardo in the pilot seat? There he is, in the cockpit. Eduardo, how are you?
I'm just singing about my favorite continent, Africa.
He's singing about his favorite continent, Africa. Why is Africa your favorite continent?
Well, it has all sorts of cool animals.
It does have cool animals.
Yep.
Can you name any of the cool animals that are in Africa?
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. Can anybody spell that? I'm thankful for the song. Otherwise, I couldn't spell hippopotamus. Any others?
Giraffe.
Giraffe? What's that sound? Where's Carrot Top? Where? Slow motion. It's like chariots of fire. Did you lose your hat, Carrot Top? You were going so fast it fell right off. Why were you going so fast?
I was racing. I can't see you. Hold on a second.
Oh, he was quite a foot up.
There he is. Good to see you. I'm glad you're here tonight. You look a little sweaty. Why were you racing?
It's a race, right?
What's a race?
Well, it's a race.
Is tonight a race? Is there a race? Wait a minute, I know what you're talking about. The Incredible Race. Look at his awesome shirt. You see his shirt? The Incredible Race. There's just one problem. Homonyms. We're not racing each other. We're talking about every human in the world is one race, but there are many nations because of what happened at Babel. So, if we talk about the Incredible Race, we're talking about the whole family of people that is all of the people on planet Earth. Boys and girls, did you hear about that last night?
Yes!
Now, I'm glad you're racing. interesting because that's good exercise, but that's just not what we're actually talking about. That is a good question. How do you think Carrot Top races without legs? He just kind of looks and floats in that direction. That's very efficient. Eduardo, Carrot Top, I kind of want to see the two of you race.
Oh, you don't want to see me race? How about water?
I go for snacks tonight. There's cupcakes. So we'll race for cupcakes.
There are cupcakes for snacks tonight? It's like a cake,
See ya!
but in a cup.
There you go. See ya!
We'll race you to the snacks. They're going to race you to the snacks. Boys and girls, we are going to talk more about all the nations of the world that became because of the Tower of Babel. That's why we speak different languages. That's why there's different kinds of people on all the different continents. They're still humans. They're still of the same original group, but what because it happened at Babel, we have different nations. How many of you brought a Bible tonight? You got points for that. How many of you need to bring it tomorrow night? If it's Bible school, you need to remember to bring your Bible. Did anybody bring a first-time visitor? I see a hand there. You brought a first-time visitor? Excellent. Anybody else? Did you bring a first-time visitor? Judith, did you bring another one? Oh, a second-time visitor. Excellent. If you ask a friend or an enemy, somebody that you know that you can bring with you to VBS, they can have all the same fun, all the same cupcakes, all the same games, and hear all the same truth of the good news of what God has done. You know, God loves you so very much, and He is so good, but not everybody in the world knows that. So we want to tell as many people as we can. I have some penny offering totals from the last 2 nights. The first night you guys gave around $60. Last night the boys and girls together gave $94.89. Yeah, give yourself a round of applause. So the cumulative total, I'm sure that means the whole thing. That's $155.21. But tonight needs to happen. We're going to use these monies to send people to the Philippines, in Asia, and to Kenya and Africa. We're talking about Africa tonight. Let's do this first. We're going to have a little bit of a different kind of a cheering contest. Instead of at the same time, we're going to go separately. And here are the rules. Listen carefully, because this is one of those, if you don't follow directions, it doesn't work. I'm going to look for the boys or the girls side that has the most energy, the most passion, the most movement, with the least amount of sound. Being as quiet as you possibly can. I want to see the wildest, craziest, most energetic, movement-filled cheering that you can muster up without making a sound. Can you do it?
Yeah!
Just be careful with your elbows. Remember not to stand on the chairs. We're going to let the ladies go first tonight. Ladies, are you ready? Do you need a rehearsal, a practice first? So what are you going to do? Move? Be excited? Be passionate? But how loud are you going to be? Quiet. Quiet loud. 10 seconds for the most energetic, quiet cheer we've ever, I can't say heard, we've ever seen. On your mark. Get set. 10 seconds. Go. Three, two, one, and thank you very much. There was some energy there. Yeah. Now, boys, you've got to show some energy, but you can't make a sound. I know some of your brains are going, what? You ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! I'm hearing noise! I'm hearing noise! 3, 2, 1, stop! They look more like a dance. All right, now, just so we can take a vote, a poll, how many of you think the girls won that cheering contest? How many think the boys won that cheering contest? There was a lot of energy on both sides. There was a little extra movement and energy on this side. But there was also extra noise on this side. Disqualified. The girls won their choice. Boys, all your pennies in the bucket. Girls, are your pennies in your bucket? Last call for Wednesday night pennies. We're going to break this tie and figure out if it's the girls or the boys who are winning after tonight. Keep your mouths quiet. Some people are having a problem hearing. Mr. Matthias, you ready with your bucket? Mr. Eberhard, you ready with your bucket? Haul them up here. Let's see who won tonight's penny offering. There goes the boys' side. There goes the girls' side. This week, it's over. Call Steph Curry, ask him some advice, but she's got to sleep the rest of the week. So wait, it's happening. It happened last year? Was that last year? Excellent job. We're going to show you an intro about Africa, and then we're going to start dismissing. So pay attention to the screen for a little preview of Africa tonight.